I'm Joanna, and today we're interviewing Starfish. What are you doing? I'm breathing. We starfishes have papules all over our bodies, also known as noses or gills. Many of my friends have 5 arms, and even 10, 20, and 40 arms even exist. I have a radial symmetry. See? Very symmetrical. And we starfishes have no heart, no blood. We have 2 stomachs, not like humans only have 1, and we have no brain. But that doesn't mean I'm done. Wow, Starwish, you know a lot about yourself. Oh, forgot to introduce her. Her name is Starwish, and she's an asexual organism. Hey, I heard that. What's the matter of asexual organism? We just don't need a mate. Let's talk about something else. Where are your eyes? Oh, my eyes? They're on every tip of my arm, see? Although, I can't really see, but I can detect light and dark. Cool. Next question. Are you eukaryotic? Yes. It means an organism that has cells which contains a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Same as you humans have it too. I also can physically divide myself into 2 to reproduce or if someone split me in half. That's amazing. Where do you live? I remember when I found you, you were on the ground. Yeah, some of us live on the ground, like me, but mostly starfish are located in ocean. I could live in the tropical coral reef, rocky shore, tidal pools, mud, sand, kelp forest, seagrass meadows, and deep sea floor down to at least 6,000 meters. The greatest amount of us are discovered in the coastal areas. So basically, I could live anywhere in the ocean. That's so big! That's not fair. Anyways, how does asexual reproduction work for you? Asexual reproduction takes place by fission, or through autotomy of my arms. In fission, my central disc breaks into 2 pieces and each portion then regenerates the missing parts. Then what are gonoducts? It's 2 conads contained in every starfish's arm and release gametes through openings located on the central disc between our arms. Now, let me test you. Does fertilization take place? And are there genetic variations in starfishes? Well, fertilization is generally external, but in a few species, external fertilization takes place. Genetic patterns of starfish species have been widely studied in recent years. The only genetic study with this species, based on 1 mitochondrial gene, included only a few populations from the coast of Tunisia. You've done homework. Of course. Now back to me interviewing you. Can you reproduce asexually and sexually? Yeah. We sea stars can reproduce asexually and sexually, including aphids, slime, mold, plants, and others. In sexual reproduction, fertilization occurs in the water with males and females, releasing sperm and eggs into the environment. The fertilized embryos, which are free-swimming animals, become part of the zooplankton in most species. Eventually, the larvae undergoes metamorphosis, settle to the bottom, and grow into adults. Some species brood their eggs, either by simply sitting over them or using specialized brooding baskets. How about asexually? Asexual reproduction is by fragmentation. A part of an arm and part of a central disc become detached from the parent and develops into an individual sea star. In the past, many of my relatives were killed by chopping them into pieces. But luckily, they have been able to regenerate and grow into more sea stars. Wow. What is the gestation period and what are the stages of zygote development to your offsprings? I know that the gestation period for a sandstar eggs can take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks. The development of offsprings occurred externally. The embryo grows in size and develops in a sequence of stages, starting with the zygote, fertilized egg, through glebe egg, vasculation, and gastrulation to become a larva. Okay, last question. How many offsprings are in each reproductive cycle, and how many reproductive cycle within a year occurs? Females can even spawn up to 65 million eggs at once, and reproduction, also known as fission, seems to take place only in the spring and summer, and for any individual. Occurred once a year or once every 2 years. Okay, thank you for Starfish for the interesting interview, and thank you for your time. See you later. Bye.